Now to a groundbreaking legal decision in the Gilgo Beach murder case that could set a new precedent for courts across New York. For the first time in state history, advanced DNA testing will be allowed as evidence in the trial of accused serial killer Rex Heuermann. Prosecutors say the technology could be critical in linking Heuermann to the killings, a move defense attorneys are already pushing back on. So what happens next? Carolyn Gusoff has the story.
Victims' relatives shared their relief as the judge green-lighted a groundbreaking DNA technique, a first for any New York criminal case. The ruling handed down in a 27-page decision. While relatively new, the judge wrote, the principles used are accepted as reliable in the scientific community.
He was disappointed. He sat through the hearing. We disagree with the court's decision.
The science was on our side, and that's why we won.
The Suffolk DA says cutting-edge nuclear DNA analyzed through what's called whole genome sequencing, long used in genetics, matches up hundreds of thousands of fragments on rootless, degraded hair to a suspect's DNA. A California lab calculated an astronomical probability that hair from 6 of the 7 victims came from Rex Heuermann, his ex-wife, and their daughter. Heuermann fought to block the evidence, contesting its accuracy, the lab's lack of accreditation and financial stake in it. The ruling says the DA may help solve more cold cases.
This litigation marks, I think, a significant step in forensic DNA analysis.
Defense attorney and law professor Anthony LaPinta on its significance.
This is as monumental and significant of a case and ruling as you get. This has the potential of totally revolutionizing DNA evidence and adding a chapter to an already very sophisticated and complicated investigative tool.
The defense is not done objecting, immediately filing a new motion that the use of an out-of-state lab violates New York State health law.
It's illegal.
With or without it, prosecutors say the case against Heuermann is strong. Other evidence includes less conclusive DNA, burner phone data, and a murder manual found in his deleted files. Heuermann's ex-wife is withholding judgment.
She has maintained from day one she doesn't believe the husband that she knew for 27 years was capable of these kind of crimes.
The judge set September 23rd as the day he'll rule on the DNA and whether Heuermann will face one or multiple murder trials. His attorney insists he will not seek a plea deal. In Riverhead, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBS News, New York.